What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am on my way to meet the cake dealer at a new Japanese restaurant. It's called Kingin. It's over here on Rivington, between, I would say, I think it's between Essex and Ludlow, maybe. So it's not far. This will be a short ride and review. It's an izakaya. It's not an omakase. Izakaya is like a bar. You know, usually has like some bar foods, snacks, small plates, share plates. You know, think of it like, I don't know, I guess like just like bar food, pub food. So I'm excited to see what it's all about and get some grub. One of the things we saw on, I think it was Instagram, they have like caviar uni, which is sea urchin roe or eggs, and I think maybe salmon roe, salmon eggs, ikura. I love that stuff, so I know the wife is going to want to try that, so we'll be getting that for sure. And a few other things looked snackish and good. So right now I'm on Delancey, just ripping over. I take a right up here up ahead, and then a quick left on Rivington, and then just roll over until I get there. Cross over Essex, and it should be right there on my left. It is starting to really feel like summer here. We're coming up on Memorial Day weekend, the official beginning of summer. My birthday. That's right, Johnny Prime's birthday. I'll be 46. Oh man, still riding a BMX. All right, let's see. Take this left. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing some changes to my e-bike lineup. I'm thinking about, obviously, not changing the Chimera, not getting anything, never getting rid of the Chimera. It's amazing, which is what I'm on right now if you can't hear it. I'm thinking about getting the new Zeus, the new Ultra Urban 2024 model, the new edition. It is like the best of both worlds when it comes to all of their models. I mean, obviously it doesn't have suspension, but it has the range and the new battery system from the Flex. It has the attachment points from the frame, the newer edition frames. It has all of the torque and quick off the line abilities of the 750. And it has the top speed and range, well, I already said range, but it has the top speed of the 1100, which is like 35, and solidly 35, not, oh, it's really 33 or 30 or 35 on a really good day downhill. It's 35 flat all the time. So, yeah, I'm thinking about getting it. Just, I don't have space, so looking at garages, looking at storage facilities, and looking at possibly selling some stuff. So we'll see. We'll see. And I got a dirt bike coming to me pretty soon as well. All right, we got a little bit of traffic here. Come on. So I'm gonna go up on the curb, sidewalk. And this place should be right here on my left. All right, here we go. And I'll see you on the inside. It's better when there's no music, because then I don't have to try to
You don't get in trouble.
edit out. What are we getting? Okay, trio with eggs.
Trio of eggs.
Trio of eggs.
We have an assortment of pickled vegetables, pickled seaweed, onion, romaine, which is a Japanese plum, lotus root, and daikon.
Wow.
Cheers, enjoy.
Thank you. Look at my drink.
You get like 2.
Yours is pretty cool too. All right, cheers. Oh, that's good. Wow.
That way.
Wow, there's a whole bunch of caviar. Holy. Tartar.
Veggie tartar for the table. It's going to be bluefin tuna with fresh wasabi on the side. The chef recommends putting half of the sauce into the tuna tartar, then mixing it together and using the rest of it as dipping sauce.
Go for it.
So good.
Can very easily.
I know, but if you just fry them. Ooh.
Hashi stir fry with spicy miso, some chocolate, zucca tantalo, some pork jam,
Whoa.
some watermelon radish, and red bean celery.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm good with that. Soy sauce tiramisu, berries, shiso, basil, sorbet. All right, good spot. All right, the egg thing was delicious. It was great, but I don't know if you saw the bill there at the end, but it was 185 bucks. It's insane. And I knew it was not going to be a ton of food. And it said market price on the menu, which I didn't even pay attention to. And I was almost like, well, I actually said it. I was like, should we get 2 of those? And my wife was like, hell no. What the hell are you thinking? So I mean, it was good, but I would not get it again. Then also, we tried the crispy pig's ears. Were fantastic. Favorite item. Favorite item, pig's ears for sure, hands down. The tuna tartare was good, but you know, you've had stuff like that elsewhere. You don't need to get it here. Also really liked the clams. They were spicy, nicely cooked, great broth. The pork jowl was good. I think it could have used a little bit more texture, like a crispy crust maybe on the outside, but it was super tender and delicious. A little side of asparagus was nice too. That was like a miso butterscotch glaze. It was so unique, really tasty. Same thing, unique with the desserts as well. It was, oh man, great. Go around this. So where was I? Dessert. Dessert was also unique. Soy sauce, some kind of soy sauce tiramisu. That was nice. Shiso leaf and basil sorbet. I love those flavors. Great combination. So yeah, I mean, I wouldn't call this place an izakaya. Izakaya is like, I think of like a dark small bar, not a giant, beautiful restaurant with high ceilings and you know, skylights above, or open ceiling kind of thing, up to looking to the sky. So I don't know. It's a nice spot. I don't know if it fits with what it's trying to be. Food is good, expensive, tasty. So I don't know. Jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review, the full write-up, everything. Well, I got some squeaky brakes. I gotta clean my rotors here. I let too many people ride this fucking thing yesterday at our Tuesday event. So anyway, make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, tell your fucking grandma.